red oak 6x6. This is the one, if you just watched the last video, this is the piece that's left because I was trying to get 7/8 inch board and bat, but the log said no. So we've got a big old, it's not a split, it doesn't go all the way through, but we got a big old split in it. This is how the wood's coming out. That split in it, that's no good for board and bat. So we're going to turn this cant into, that split does kind of run along with the crack here in the wood. See how the end crack is right there? And that kind of runs at an angle through this. This is going to be perfectly fine for a 6x6. This piece is never going to come off. And this 6x6 is going to last you. It's 8.5 foot. Probably not quite long enough for what he wants, but it is a 6x6. Or it will be a 6x6. This will not make any good board and bat out of that. I can get a couple more pieces out of here, but none of this will make board and bat. This side and this side won't either because that crack goes up. And there's another one down there that's coming too. This one here would be in these boards on this side. These boards on this side are no good because of this crack. These boards on this side are no good because of this crack. So I'd get like 2 more boards off of this board and bat. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it into a 6x6. It's this was from the stress video, and there's I wouldn't say no stress. There's very little stress in this. I think it's all been relieved with these cracks. So I was getting very little stress out of this log. So we're gonna have a nice red oak 6x6, 8.5 foot long. So we want a 6x6, right? So we should saw that right at 6 inches. Nope. We'll saw it at 1 1/8 inches. Or at least 1 1/16 inches. We'll saw it right at 1 1/8 inches. And we'll have 6 inches left on the deck. And that'll be an oak 6x6. I don't know what we'll get off the top of it. Don't care. The core will be pretty much center. I'll flip it this way and take off the rest off that side. So the core will be centered in the 6x6. It'll be oak. So here, don't do that. Don't drop your boards off this side of the mill. Catch your chain, catch your tire, whatever. Put the dogs down and they fell off. Here's a 6, what did I say? 5/8. This is 5/8. Just happens to be 5/8 inch board. Came off the top of it. I don't have a 5/8 inch stack. So 5/8 inch lumber. What am I going to use it for? You better get you a pile for all that trash lumber. It's not trash. I'm not throwing it away. I'm not burning it. I'll use it for something, but you better have a pile for everything. And it's a hard pile to stack, because you can't stack different widths on your same pile. So all mine go over there. And then because they're laying flat on top of each other, they don't dry right. So, but I do flip these every couple days. I flip them over, straighten them out, flip them over again. But they're always crooked, they're always bowed, they're always everything. But it's just a, you call it a trash pile, but it's not trash. It's decent lumber. It's never the same dimension, same width, same thickness. So we'll take this one right down to, this was supposed to be stress log, but there's no stress, or no, you know, it's not, it's all flat on the mill. So we'll take this down to 6. This was exactly 6. I cut it at 6 1/8 because of the blade curve. And we'll take this one down to 6 and we'll haul it away. It's gonna make us a 6x6 pile. Okay, so right there's where I need to cut for get a 6-inch. I can get another 7/8 inch board and bat off this. Like that's 6 1/8. By going up to 7 1/8. And now I can set that simple set. It's right on 7 1/8. You gotta turn your head sideways. It's right on 7 1/8. I don't think I can get 8 1/8, right? 8 1/8. Takes me over the top of that, I hope. Okay. Yeah. 8 1/8 takes me over the top of that. But I can get one more of my 1-inch board and bat, which they'll be sawed at 7/8 inch, by putting that exactly on 7 1/8. And then I'll set this simple set for 1 inch. That'll take me down to 6 1/8, and that'll give me my 6-inch cant left. So the top one's trash, because I don't know how thick it is. It's trash. It's not 7/8. It's supposed to go on over. This one is 7/8. I'll put my board and bat on the board and bat pile. I got the trash pile, the board and bat pile. And now I gotta make another 6x6 pile. That would be a nice 6x6. Oh, 6x6, 8 foot, 6 inches long. And we're done. Carry it to your pile. You think you're done. You still gotta unload that son of a gun and put it on a pile and stack it up. Now I've got to make a whole lumber base for 6x6s. Not fun. Not good. But I need a bunch of 6x6s, so it'll go in a pile. It's just, you gotta start one now.